Hey, Julie. Good morning. Excuse me. I thought this would be a little bit better than an email to explain about the uh, Science Interactive Labs. So this is my summer class. It's the welcome page for my summer class for 163. Um, on the course information page, I put the link how to get your lab kit and register for the Science Interactive Lab course. And I got that I went to Science Interactive. In fact, you know what? Let's just look and see. Um, oh no, this is just a video that I made. Okay, so I will copy this link and put that in your email as well. Okay, then what you want to make sure there's two things I want to caution you about. One is the pig, the fetal pig. I asked to have it removed from the lab kit because they have several labs where they have to dissect the fetal pig, so they have to store it. And this summer it was a disaster and it was not worth it. So I tried to have the pig removed from the kit starting in the fall, but they weren't able to do it. They will be able to have it removed from the kit in the spring. But anyway, dealing with the fetal pig, that is, there's like different options for that. But I will tell you that it is a problem for the students. So there are three, and you may be aware of this. I'm not sure, but there are three lab, I forget how they refer to them as, but it's like prerequisites, I guess they have to do. The first thing they have to do in the lab kit is getting started, which introduces them, of course, to Science Interactive and how to navigate through the Science Interactive website. And then the next one is lab safety, and the next one is called using the V-scope. But anyway, the way that you add, you're going to do this. You're going to go to Create Learning Activity, All, and then click on Bio 163 SI. And that should be in your course like right now, okay? And then once you click on it, it's going to show you the list of labs. And that's all it's going to give you is a list of labs. This one should not, it shouldn't open because it should be closed, but maybe it will. Yeah. Okay. So all your labs will be shown here and you'll click on the one that they need to do. And I would do them in order, but anyway, you can see how I set everything up in the syllabus, and I may have even, I'm pretty sure that I didn't do all the labs, so I didn't even assign all of them. And within SI, you can also, I'll just go to Science Interactive. Okay, so you can also, within Science Interactive, like you can go to that class. And all they have here is my active courses. Let's go to all courses. All right, so this was the Bio 163 for the summer. All right, so you can go in here and go to the custom lesson authoring, and I strongly encourage you to do this because otherwise you have a ton of questions to grade. But say, for example, let's just go to the integumentary system. You go to Customize, and it's not letting me, but when you click on Customize, let me go to a new one just so you can see how to do it. Okay, so even though this is not Bio 163, I'm just strongly encouraging you to customize the lessons because otherwise you're going to be grading so many questions. So let's just go like to a regular lab overview of the skeletal system. Okay, and just find the questions that you're going to have to grade. So there's exploration. I guess that was overview. All right, so page 1. Okay, and then just kind of scroll and see if there's any. So far there's not any. I can't think this morning. It's early, but there's not any open-ended questions. But you want to go to all the open-ended questions and make a choice whether you want to include those questions or not, because I try to include one per lab, but in some of these labs, there are so many that you have to go through and grade that it ends up taking a whole lot of time, and I don't think it's worth the time that it takes. So that was the exploration section. Then you get to the experimentation section, and you do the same thing. Exercise 1, you just scroll until you find, like, these are the things you're going to have to grade. For every photo that they have to upload, you're going to have to grade that. And that's just I mean, it's a click, click, click kind of thing, but it is time consuming. Okay, so here we have 2 open-ended questions. How do the structures examined in cortical bone tissue contribute to its function? Reference photo 1. And then how do the structures examined contribute to the function in trabecular bone? Okay, so here, if you want to include them in the lesson, you click on them. And then let's say that I did want to include it. When I clicked on it, I thought that meant include, but anyway, let's say I want to exclude it from the lesson. And let's say I just want to exclude both. Okay, and then I would hit save. And then I would move on to the next thing, exercise 2, because they're going to have questions in the evaluation too. So they have 2 questions here, and I want to exclude. But I swear that makes it look like and then you can also click only show included questions. Okay. And then go to the evaluation section. And I mean, I would include one. Go to the extension questions, and I would, like I say, I would at least include well, it says this question has been excluded from the lesson. So this one is explain why teeth are not considered bones. All right, so we'll include this one, but not include those other ones. And on every page, I would hit only show included questions, because I notice sometimes that students are seeing the questions that aren't graded. And that was my fault, because I didn't hit to only show included questions. But like for this one, I want to go back to those experimentation exercises, because I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be clicked on. So go like that, Now, this question has been excluded from the lesson and hit only show included questions. Now the students won't even see them. Okay, and I hit save. All right, and I'm going to do that also for exercise 2. And then when I get completely done, exclude and only show included questions, hit save. Then now that I have customized this the way that I want it, I'm going to hit publish. And then once I hit publish, it'll tell you like changes published and last customized on August 4th. And then the rest of these were last customized on May the 5th. So anyway, hope this helps. This has gotten to 11 minutes, so I'm going to stop. But I hope this helps you. And if you have any other questions, feel free to email me and also to text me. Either way, I don't mind, and I don't mind after hours. So I don't have any, rules about that. So feel free to text me or email me. If you can't get in touch with me through email, just send me a text. All right. Take care. Bye.